about to do a compression test on this guy. Don't have to worry about sparking because I have the key off. You guys have seen me do this before. Got a tub of water. I'm gonna have it trimmed down some more, but for this test to be fine. Got my key here. Let's see if it even. Yeah. So I'll get some WD-40 so I can just kind of squirt in there. Ain't a lot. There we go. Got that. Got my compression gauge. If you guys want to know, it's 9129287. It's a compression gauge. Quicksilver makes it. So find that online, eBay, whatever. This is a really good gauge. I know I've ranted and raved over it for a while now. Get somewhere where I can set this dang thing down. I keep it in this little pouch. It's probably looking right through them cables. But I'm just going to take some WD-40, just do a little squirt. Oh, you know, I don't know if I took that bottom. Yeah, I did. Can't get the straw in there. All right. Okay. Give her the beans. See if she'll make some bean salad or something. Refried beans, which I ain't a big fan of. Let's see what we get. Whoops. That came off here. Oh, let's try it again. Should be more than enough. To get my phone so I can write these numbers down since I got 6 cylinders. No! I got water puppies. Man, I'm usually really careful. But I screwed it up now. And I was just bragging about it. Well, anyway, we're at 120, 130, let's say 135. See what I just did. Oh man, saying almost 160, but I wonder if because I dropped in the water. I don't know. We're going to call it 155. And that, I haven't done this one yet, right? Oh, yeah. We'll say 160. Ooh, I got a little shock there. Wonder if we are sparking. We should be sparking. The key is off. We'll put my spark check on her just to make sure. I mean, I don't want to do it. Spark looks like all of them except for this one, number 2. So number 2, we don't have spark, but it shouldn't be spark here. Very odd because we have a key off situation. So we'll have to figure that one out. But we got spark. What is that? 155. Five. Green and white, green and red. 155. This one's hard to get to. I should have showed you guys. It's a 155. Bottom one was 155. Anyway, there's a compression test. We got a good motor. Probably either, you know, number 2 is not firing, so I think that's probably a coil issue. It's gotta be. I don't know what else it could be, but if I hold this real close, I don't know if you can see it. Which is the number 2 I wrote down. So wherever that's going to, this one. And then I don't know if these are wired correctly, so you need to wire it for the right timing firing order. And there's the firing order 145236. So we just need to find a good wiring diagram and match this up, make sure this is all correct. You know, may have to take off all these just to go through. Okay, this is power pack 1. And yeah, anyway, the wire diagram will show me that as well. So there's that guy. That was done. I'm gonna have to go in here and restart my ultrasonic cleaner. And I know I've watched a couple guys. They weren't big on this thing, but I'm telling you, man, it really does clean them up good. Thanks for watching.